We fully understand at this point when they go on to say, yes, they fought at Stalingrad and underground dungeons, destruction of the previous civilization's underground work, telling us that there is at least 150 kilometers of tunnels underground with stable stone arches with the width of 2 horse-drawn carts. Massive tunnels. This is all quotes from the former German soldiers and officers that survived the Battle of Stalingrad. Hell on earth. Going on and closing his statement, saying the older the tunnels, the better they are made. Giving us first-hand accounts where we are fully understanding that this is the truth, that the previous civilization was here, and a group wanted to destroy it in every single city around the world, and ripping this civilization out of our narrative. Understanding that anyone from our civilization, our timeline, that was here, that knew about the true past, were fully wiped out worldwide. And this is admitted. It is confirmed, and also confirmed, is that many catacombs exist in this location today, where they are now filled with poison gas mustard, which is a grave danger to humans, keeping us away. And to take this a step further, mass destruction to the previous civilization and millions of casualties, possibly in so many cities around the world that we are not being told about through false statistics. What kind of group could do this? A group that loves us or a group that hates us? It is interesting that one of the German soldiers then ironically wrote in his diary that he had the impression that the command would like to get to hell and to call on the help of demons. Where if you've done this research for a while, we know that this is all still most likely going on today. That likes to put the destroyer out front in their yard because that's just a nice addition to the place. Just a nice gift. And they just name their dances the Dance of Destruction. And this is all very normal stuff. Any of us would have done it? No. And did any of us agree that we all want them smashing particles together? Because I must have missed that meeting. Switching back to the 1943 veteran, a group that we are told in his diary that wants to get the help of demons, a group that performed mass murder through bombings, calling it wars, and total destruction of the past, destruction of the buildings that were always meant for us. It's very interesting. A group that seems like they might be in a little season. So we'll get into that soon. If you've been following me closely on X, you will know what's on the way. And to show that they take this seriously, much more seriously than most of us ever realized, until recently, the same country digging the deepest hole in the world, the Kola Super Deep Borehole, shutting the project down in 1995, where the hole goes down 40,230 feet, or 7.6